Think of COVID vaccines, you've likely heard of Pfizer and Moderna. The CDC also approved the Novavax vaccine in July and then as a booster just 2 weeks ago. But finding it as a booster in the Treasure Valley is a bit tougher.
Yeah, News Channel 7's Jude Binkley called around to figure out where people who want this vaccine can go to get it. Jude, what'd you find out?
Well, sure, the Novavax vaccine uses classic technology like a flu vaccine instead of the newer mRNA technology. Because of this, experts had hoped people who were hesitant about the mRNA tech would choose to get the Novavax vaccine.
And, it's a good option for anyone who's had some kind of bad reaction, allergic reaction to an mRNA vaccine. I mean, we're just grateful that there is an option out there for them, if that's the case.
The CDC approved Novavax's primary vaccine in July. On October 19th, they approved the Novavax booster.
Well, Novavax is a more classic platform. So it's a protein subunit where, kind of like the flu vaccine, where your body sees this protein from the virus and it mounts an immune response to that. No mRNA is involved in the Novavax.
The CDC still recommends the mRNA boosters. Because of that, those who want the Novavax booster must be unable or unwilling to get the mRNA shot. They have to be over 18, have had their primary dose over 6 months ago, and have had no other boosters.
It's more of a self-attestation, just they wouldn't necessarily need a note. They would just walk into a clinic and request the Novavax booster, and that should be enough.
Vaccines.gov has a list of which places offer the Novavax booster. However, when we made calls, we found out some didn't have it. The places we confirmed have the booster are Primary Health's State Street, Garrity, and Crossroads clinics, BSU's COVID lab, and Preventative Health in Eagle.
We only have it in limited clinics, just 3 clinics right now. We weren't given a large supply by the state, but we do have 3 clinics.
Weiss says the combination of delays and little promotion for Novavax have led to fewer people getting the shot.
I asked last week, and we've only given about 20 Novavax vaccines since we got them. So that's very low demand for this one. And maybe part of it is people just don't know, there's not that promotion like there have been with other vaccines. Maybe it's just lack of knowledge, but we do have them in stock.
Now, Dr. Weiss told me that when it comes to vaccines, most people have made up their minds by now. The Novavax primary shot and the booster are the same dosage, and in trials the vaccine was 100% effective at preventing severe disease or hospitalization, but that was before Omicron. Doctors don't know what the exact efficacy of the vaccine is, but they say it should maintain strong protection against severe disease.
And we're going to have a list of the places that offer Novavax's primary dose and booster in our story at ktvb.com later today. And Jude, because of your story now, more people do know that it's out there, but in limited quality.
And where to